Okay, hello everybody. We just got some new tables. Andrew from Strathearn Woodwork just popped in, dropped in some new tables. That's a spalted beech little coffee table. And this is a rather impressive table which they've called the Gargunnock, which is a lovely piece of wood from up near the Gargunnock Hills. Lovely big coffee table. Try and show you the grain in there. It's a fantastic bit of wood. There we go. And that's a burr table there, which is pretty cool looking. With these ones you can turn them that way, or they can go on their side, which I'll show you. And that's the other way round. You can have them as a low table. Okie dokie, cool. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.